Hi, it's Mr. Kane here, and with this little video I'm hopefully going to explain some bits and pieces about acids and what makes an acid, and yeah, let's get underway. So, acids. There's a whole bunch of things in this little picture, and not all of them are acids. By the end of this we should know which is which and why. So, when something dissolves in water we make a solution. Yep, fair enough. Now these solutions, we can sort them out whether they're acid, alkali or neutral, and yeah, keep watching, we'll find out which is which and why. So okay, here's some things. What do they have in common? We have a lemon, there's a lime, there's an orange. They've got something in common. Some are a bit more this way than others, like we'll happily eat an orange, but maybe not quite the same as the lime or a lemon. Why is that? Yeah, they're sour. So from the English word we have sour, that comes from the German word sauer, which means acid. So if you want to talk about an acid in German, you use the word sauer, but in English that has been sort of given us the word sour. And yeah, acids have a sour taste, but don't go tasting any acids in the lab unless your teacher has said, yeah, that one's okay to try, because there's sour and then you're in trouble. Yeah, so not a good idea just to taste stuff. So acids, heaps of them about. So we've met lemon, yep, that's a common one. What about these other ones? Have you met these ones before? So what have we got? So we've got lemon juice. That's this thing called citric acid. It's a food acid, and we often have that as a liquid when we squeeze lemon into something, and you can also get it as a powder as well. Vinegar, that's ethanoic acid. And inside you in your stomach is hydrochloric acid. Okay, that's actually one of those acids in one of those jars up there. So common things you're going to find in your science lab, you're going to find some of these things here. They've all got something in common. See if you can spot what it is. Find them in the lab if you're looking for them. You should find this symbol on them. This is a HAZChem symbol. Corrosive means they are going to eat stuff away, and if you get some of these spilt on your skin, you may feel a stinging sensation, and it's actually eating your skin away. If you feel that, wash your hand under lots of cold water. Lots of water will dilute it and wash it away, and you'll be fine. But it can cause a stinging sensation. The ones that we have in the normal school laboratories are pretty safe. They're not super strong, but if you feel a stinging sensation after handling these, wash it all off. But what do they have in common apart from the corrosive symbol? Have a look, see what you can see. Look at the formula. What do you see in common there? They've all got hydrogen. So they've all got, oops, my circle's not very good there, is it? I'll play it again. I missed. They've all got, here we go, hydrogen in there. They've all got it. So that's what acids have in common. They've all got hydrogen in there somewhere. Okay, so hydrogen ions are really what we're looking for. So whatever's making the acid, when it dissolves, usually we dissolve it into water, it releases these hydrogen ions. These are hydrogen atoms that they've lost an electron. They're looking to fill that gap. They're looking for something to hang on to. So the more of these hydrogen ions that gets released, the stronger this acid is going to be. So the hydrogen ion, that is the acid particle. So if you've got these in solution, you've got an acid. So strong acids, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, they're the ones we often use in the school laboratories. They're what we call mineral acids. They're strong ones. Weak acids, ethanoic acid, that's your vinegar, citric acid, carbonic acid. Okay, citric acid from lemons, carbonic acid, you've got that often in fizzy drinks when you've got carbon dioxide dissolved and stuff. They're organic acids. They're weaker. They're your food acids. Often we use those in foods and things and flavours. So, can you find these in your science lab? These are your common science acids. Okay. My normal go-to, and I'm doing something in the science lab, I'm normally going to go for this one here, hydrochloric acid, and occasionally I'll use sulfuric acid. Not very often I use nitric acid. Hydrochloric is actually found in your stomach. Sulfuric acid is actually what we call battery acid. So that's our introduction to acids and what makes an acid, and I hope that's been helpful. Thank you.